Hey guys, today we will talk about how to reset Microsoft Outlook to the default settings. This process is simple and easy, and at the end you don't have to do anything special. Just tap on this icon and tap on the option Settings. Once you get access to the settings, tap on the option Apps, which is on the left side of my computer screen. Once you click on it, tap on the first option, Installed Apps. In this list, you will see all the installed apps that you use on your computer, and here you have to tap on Outlook. Below, you will see the Outlook application. Now, in order to reset it, click on these three dots and tap on the option Advanced. Here you can see the option to reset. If the app is not working, click on the option Reset and delete all data. Once you click on the option Reset, tap on Reset again, and it will delete all the data, taking the app back to its default settings, and that's it.